welcome to the CONS3RT help channel. Today, we'll be covering how to re-import a software asset. If you'd like to review the importing process, sure to follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. Now, in the last video, we took a look at updating a software asset, and this is going to look like a very similar process. However, updating a software asset will only overwrite certain files. Re-importing an asset replaces everything entirely. And if you are aware of that and you would like to re-import your asset, head on over to it, and you will see an impressive re-import button in the upper right corner. Select it, and here you will go through the importing process once again. Select Finish, and you have successfully re-imported your asset. If you would like to watch more of these video tutorials, feel free to check out the CONS3RT Help YouTube channel. Alternatively, you can visit our help site, which features these videos and articles that cover these topics in greater depth. And as always, the relevant links are in the video description down below. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using CONS3RT.